Good morning guys, welcome to this beautiful day today. Today you join me on an adventure. We're going to go pick up parts for the Audi. Whew. Right, that's fuel taken care of and a Red Bull. Now, what we're picking up today is a front bumper, side blades, and rear bumper off of kind of a sport version of the B6. Basically, I've owned this car for about 3 years, and even though I've had it for that long, it's always just been a daily car that's kind of got me from A to B, and I've not really spent much money on it. It's just kind of been like my hard-working car. I've done 45,000 miles in it now in 3 years, and it's just been really reliable for big trips and does good fuel to the gallon. I feel like I've neglected it while I've been working on the Mazda. So the front bumper's really wrecked and scratched up. It's got chips and scratches all down the sides from getting keyed and from bushes, and I haven't washed this car in 6 months. But I feel like it needs its time now. Now the Mazda's in a better state, or was in a better state until last week. I feel like now it's a perfect time to spend a bit of money on it. I'm now in Hartford. Let's go get these parts, stick them in the back of the car and head off home. I've just stopped just to get some food. Chopsty noodle bar. Never tried it in my life. It's essentially noodles and you choose the toppings. I think this was £6.50. That's a vegetable. I got a Coke. Now we've got to get back on the road. Sorry, it's not a Starbucks. Obviously, I'm not a real YouTuber yet, so I don't eat Starbucks. When you're a YouTuber, you've got to drink Starbucks. I don't have to yet, so. Unfortunately, it has just started raining, so it sucks outside. I don't really want to get wet, so the parts are going to stay in the car until the next episode. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, hit that like button. Subscribe if you're interested in more content. And if you have any questions about the build, please leave them in the comments below, and I'll get back to you as soon as I get them. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.